Lash out at. To suddenly speak or act angrily towards someone. Example: she lashed out at her brother for breaking her phone. Walk out. To leave a place suddenly because you're angry. Example: he walked out of the meeting after being insulted. Blow up. To suddenly become very angry. Example: my dad blew up when he saw the broken window. Tell off. To criticize someone angrily for doing something wrong. Example: the teacher told off the student for being late. Drag into. To involve someone in an argument or situation unwillingly. Example: don't drag me into your fight with Mum. Face off. To confront someone in a conflict or competition. Example: the two teams faced off in the finals. Butt in. To interrupt a conversation or argument. Example: stop butting in. This isn't about you. Snap at. To speak sharply or angrily to someone. Example: she snapped at me just for asking a question. Back down. To admit defeat or stop opposing something. Example: he finally backed down after realizing he was wrong. Speak out against. To publicly express opposition. Example: many people spoke out against the new rule. Fall out with. To have a disagreement and stop being friendly. Example: she fell out with her best friend over a small misunderstanding.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.